Welcome back to another edition of Mad River Outdoors. It's the Saturday before Thanksgiving. Wanted to do a quick video on the Tuttio Soleil. We ordered this fender. We're going to get that installed today, and I got a couple of little tips and tricks that I picked up along the way, so stay tuned for those towards the end of the video. Let's go ahead and get this installed and see how it looks. Alright, so what we've got to do is we've got the same hole pattern as that's on the Tuttio. So I've got to cut a small notch here because there's a wire right here that comes out from the top, which is the brakes. So you cut a hole in the fender and then those go through and we attach it. So let's go ahead and get started and see if we can get this done. So we're going to try to mark this. Let's see. We're going to go right here and cut this out. So we got our Dremel, got a cutoff disc. Yeah. Okay, so we got our basic cut done. All this melted plastic. All right, now that we got this cut. Okay. One more.
Pretty cool. It's like a dirt bike.
Alright, so we got the fender installed. One of the other tips and tricks that I wanted to show you today was going to be, if you turn it on, and when it's on, hold the M button, it'll change over to volts. If you hit the M button again and hold it, you can see your odometer, which we currently have 206 miles on. The other tip I had for you, if you're looking for a place on your Tuttio to hold your tools, so as you take your battery out, you'll notice that there's a little hole down here. You can go ahead and put your toolkit in there, so when you go on long journeys, you have a place to store your stuff. Okay, one other quick bonus tip that I wanted to leave for you guys was, if you're having trouble with your chain coming off, an easy way to make sure that both sides of these nuts are exactly the same. They say you can measure it. I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a set of digital calipers. So you simply turn this on and then you come put one side here. So I'm at 21.8 on this side, and then you come around to the other side, and then you just simply come around to the other side and you can measure the same, and I'm at 21.6. So I know that this is within, 2 degrees or so. I'm not too worried about it falling off, but I hope this helps. Thanks for joining me on today's short about the Tuttio Soleil. Really appreciate it. Hope you found the tips and tricks helpful. Go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below if you did, and we'll see you on the next episode.